What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Don with the Don Franz Show. And in this quick little video, I'm going to talk about my number one stock. As you can see in the background here, it is Amazon. We're going to go over it, what I'm looking at, why I might be just a little bit more excited about this. As you guys know, I'm usually, like, if you always ask me what my number one stock is, it's usually Tesla. And while it still is, I will still be in it for sure. I mean, I am in it. I still have shares and everything. The new positions, the upcoming ones, the one I will probably be focused on just a tad bit more. We know Tesla's going to move. I'll make a video all about that. I'm starting to do a segment called Tesla Tuesday, so Tuesday morning, we'll get that in there. But for this week, it's Amazon. It's something I'm looking out for because I already liked it, right? And if we look here, we kind of have this. This is an hourly, kind of this little bull pennant, bull flagish setup. 4 hour, same thing, just a bull pennant. Now I was watching this top zone here. Here's my bottom alert to buy it. I bought at that zone. I already sold it. I did not get back in. Shouldn't be. No, I'm in Tesla and Amazon over the weekend. Just to double check. I should only be. I'm in Tesla and Apple. Sorry, Tesla and Apple over the weekend. So hopefully, well, I can tell you right now, I will be in Amazon tomorrow morning. So I already like this, right? We already got the, if you're new to my channel, guys, I set these little blocks up. That's where I buy, right? This alert tagged me, so I got to watch it. You know, it came down in here. We got the type 2 play. Type 1 or 2, I already forgot how I even played this. I have different entry types, right? Type 1, type 2, type 3 if you're a confirmation buyer. We got the push up, went ahead and locked it in. Sold off, did not get that dip quite yet again. I was even looking for, again, back in the zone. I still like it. It's a brighter yellow than this one because ultimately I want to see that hold. And so here we are, bigger picture, kind of coming up on this resistance right here. Like maybe like we might be looking for a breakout if we were just kind of move this up. This still could have some time in it. Actually, let's just delete that. Let's draw another one. Nothing really on the radar as far as that goes. Now, again, if you're new to my channel, I don't actually play trend lines. I do everything. I break down everything the night before. Stock market's closed. I'm not paying. Nothing's influencing my decision. I break down everything the night before. I set alerts. I hit those alerts. Crazy concept, right? I like to let the trade come to me. Many of my followers have had great success doing the exact same thing. It's not an emotional trade watching to go up and down trying to guess. I'm looking at I have the whole real estate of the screen, but tomorrow morning, if I'm looking at it through my phone, I might see something like this. I'll know, okay, we're looking at a high or low situation. So let's check the daily one more time. You know, I don't actually like, it's pretty obvious to look and see we're at higher lows right now. We're kind of this little flat resistance. We broke that, came back down to retest it, making this bull flag. But let me get down into it. Why I might be a little bit more excited about this. Somebody asked me to hop on Flow and check something out. This is something I missed. Now, again, if you have something like this, like Black Box or Flow Algo, most of this is junk. You can go ahead and X out of that. You can X out of this. Probably just X out of that too. Worthless. Most of you guys will blow your account because you'll be in here thinking, okay, someone bought 1.6 million in puts on Apple. I should probably short Apple. That's a lot of money. And that actually is a big play. Apple's a, $2 trillion market cap now? Are we sure? It's not a lot of money for them. You can be in Apple. Apple's liquid enough to float that out and fire that off left and right. But most people will be in here thinking 134,000 is a lot. On Google, they'll blow their account because they'll come in here and try to copy this. Now, the only reason first of all, I just now got this. I've had it before. The only thing I like to do is almost look at it like reading the tape. Where is most of the money going? And you can see, okay, we were mostly calls. But are they hedges like 76,000, 144,000? Those might as well be hedges. All right. First of all, you don't know if they're buying or selling those calls. And something liquid like Apple, they could be selling that all day. And that could be a bearish position that they hope goes to zero. Anything over 500,000, I didn't even notice this. Home Depot got almost 1 million. That's not bad. This is probably, they're probably selling those calls. But who knows? That's the dangerous thing about this. You don't know. But let's scroll on down. Actually, I already had it up because I had to get that confirmation. So Tesla 50K in puts. They probably sold those, or that's I think could probably just blow up. A21 that's already expired. That was a day trade. Let's see, where's it at? Apple. A lot of Apple stuff. That almost looks bearish. Apple, right? You come in here, you sell 86,000, 27,000 worth of calls, and you buy 1 million in puts. Again, guys, we have no idea, right? What I'm saying could just be blatantly wrong, and you don't know enough to argue it with me either. So if you come in here and tell me anything different, just know that you're, how do I politically correct it? Try to find the politically correct way to say you're not very smart. Because nobody knows, right? You just don't. Unless you physically took that position, you can't tell me someone bought those calls or sold them. There's a buyer and seller in every transaction. I'm trying to say that's how dangerous this could be. But here's the outlier. Look at this one. 73.7 million, right? Expiration on the 20th. So we're still at the end of this year. So we got, what, a couple months? So in a couple months, they bought 3,300 strike price calls. They bought 2,700 contracts. And each one of these contracts cost $27,000. Man. So they bought most of those. So the daily volume, other than 41 of those, this one person got all of these. Now, if you actually take that, if this were to exercise an Amazon contract, they said, you know what, go ahead and exercise my contract. Each contract's worth 100 shares. So at 3,300, that is your coupon to buy Amazon at 3,300 times 100 times 2,700. Comes out to $891 million. So that's almost $1 billion play on Amazon. Now, all that did was basically just intrigue me just that much more, because how much would you need to be in Amazon for that to be your hedge? You have to be so short Amazon, billions, that you're like, you know what, all right, let's just let's buy some calls just in case, because we borrowed every share out there to short Amazon. So not a sure thing, guys. Do not copy this trade. If you have 27,000, well, actually, I used to say you might be smart enough with your money that you would know not to copy, but with today's day and age, who knows? So looking back to here, is this really a bull flag setting up, and did somebody just get in at the best time? Actually, let's look and see when they got in. Let's make this short and sweet. When did they get in? So this is an hour ahead. So they actually got in 2 o'clock, power hour. Let's break it down here in the 30-minute. I wonder if they're already ahead in their money. Doesn't look like it. So we got in here. I wonder if there are, so they might already be up even just a little bit. It's a lot of money, guys. But we're starting to see this pennant definitely play out. So I wonder if that's what we're going to see Monday. So if you're new to my channel, guys, I am about to go live. I go live on Sundays, 1 hour after the futures open. Let's talk about this. I want to see if the Qs actually get a nice little green open. This is one of the biggest ones in the NASDAQ, right? The QQQ. So I want to see how that will influence that. So maybe, let's say this were to pump up and get that crazy spike. Maybe it does influence the Qs. Anyone in QQQ, the NQ futures, TQQQ, could have a nice little play. One last thing before we go here. Let's just check the snapshot. So for this week, look at that, 101 million in Amazon. So this is the whole week total. It's kind of hard to just look at it totally, but You can see how we favor the call side, right? Baba got some calls. Netflix, Apple, CRM, Tesla, 16.9 million, Nvidia, Adobe. Now, a lot of these could have just been right after, either the run up into earnings, maybe a little bit after. Kind of hard to say there. We can click on it and find out. 821. So a lot of that was actually Friday. Looks like someone might have bought the dip on Nvidia. Amazon, let's check that out. Whole lot of nothing. A couple of millions fired off, and then 73.7 million. Interesting. So you can kind of see, again, if you're kind of like going to read the tape, where's the money being put at? Looks like we well, obviously Amazon got heavily favored. Yesterday, anything? Yeah, today's Sunday, so this would be Saturday. It's a fast website. Let's see. Tesla, 16.9 million in calls, 11.4 million in puts. Oh man, those poor guys. That'd be hard to say. I mean, Tesla's the #1 shorted stock, but maybe they probably sold those puts, or maybe they got tired of betting millions. Again, hard to say. This is why most people blow their accounts. You could just make it up. You make up story whatever you want. It's a dangerous side of this is you can look at this and think, surely no one's actually that short Tesla. No one would be that dumb. And then, just convince yourself they sold those and you're still bullish. Don't do that if you have this. I don't mind showing anybody this, but don't start copying these plays. That's a quick way to probably blow your account. But let me know in the comments down below, guys. What do you think about Amazon? Is this is it about to be a bull pennant? Are we about to break out to the upside? Or was this one massively short position and somebody sold all those calls? I don't know. I'm pretty bullish on it. So, hopefully I'll see you guys in tonight's live stream. Again, 1 hour after futures open. And we are almost to the subscriber goal. We need, we're in the 300s. 300 more subscribers by the end of this month. And we're there for a giveaway. Inviting 100 people into my mentorship. I'll give away one of my courses. And if you're already in the mentorship, we're doing a $1,000 giveaway. So, I will see you guys later.